Guys, I just wanted to go over how we do Khan Academy now that we're actually getting computers. I know because we don't have computers every single day for PLT, it's still a little bit off, but let's go over some of these things. Every time we have a new week or you get a new reflection, your PLT teacher is going to hand you this sheet. You need to put it in your green folder, not just on the in the little folder section. You need to actually put it in there for me. So make sure you're doing that. We're opening up the tabs and you're putting it in. Thanks. Then what you need to do is you're going to grab a computer. You're going to log on. So I'm doing that now. I'm a student. I'm logging on. Waiting for it to log on. You need to go to official SAT practice. So hit start. Go to where it says current skill level, math. Then at the very beginning of the week, you are going to write down 1 skill, 2 skill, 3 skill. You are going to write those things down. 1 right here, the second one right here, and the third one right here, okay? So come in, first day, so like yesterday you would come in, you would get this sheet, you would log on like you did, and you would write these 3 things down here. Then right up here, you're only going to use these 2 boxes right here. You're going to think of a weekly time goal. It has to at least be 60 minutes that you're going to work on Khan Academy. Now, Ms. Markley, how do I work for more on Khan Academy? Well, after you've completed your stuff for the day, if you choose to continue working on other skills on Khan, that's how you could get more than 60 minutes. Here, same concept. If you choose to work on other Khan skills, then that's how you're going to get more than 40 questions completed. In this section, we don't fill in until we are done with our tracking sheet for the week, okay? So yesterday, what should have happened is you come in and you've written down skill 1. So a lot of you were going right here and you were practicing, and then you couldn't practice again. That is not what you do. So for solving quadratic equations, if this was you on Monday, what you should have done is you go down here, you find it, solving quadratic, right here. The first thing you need to do, remember, you need to bring in headphones. You need to watch both videos. So watching one. All right, watch one. Then you watch the second one. As you're watching, you should have lined paper in your green folder where you are actually working together. Then, right here on your sheet, it says practice. See where it says practice? It says 1, there's a box. Try 2 is a box. When you're practicing, guys, you're doing it here. So you're doing your practice down here. Do your practice. Oh, look at me guessing and getting it right. Look at the second. Oh, gosh, I'm so good. Wow, look at me go. I'm really not, okay. I was like, I'm really not trying to do this. I'm pretty sure it needs to be plus. All right, so you've done the practice. If you get a 4 out of 5, you're going to come here for that one. That's where you write the 4 out of 5. Now, because you got a 4 out of 5, I'm going to say X this practice. Because you go to 4 out of 5, so you go down here, you don't need to do it down here a second time. No, that is when you come up here, you click on it, and even though it says practice this skill, it is actually what I'm considering right here as the test. So you'll come up and you'll take the test. You can only take it one time. That is why I'm not calling it a practice, because you can only take it one time, even though it tells you that, okay? So when you get your score, you would write it right here. Say you got a 4 out of 5. Awesome. Now, the second day we're doing Khan, you're doing skill number 2 and skill number 3. Same concept. You're going to log right into your computer. You are going to do your second skill right here. You don't practice here first, guys. You come down here to find interpreting linear functions right here. You watch what first? Both videos. Then you do the practice down here. Now, if you get a 4 or a 5, do you have to redo this practice class? No. You go up here and then you take the test. Now, if you got a 3 a 2, a 1, or a 0, you take the practice one more time. So for example, down here, you took it the first time, you got a 2 out of 5. That's where you write your score. When you take it the second time, say you get a 4 out of 5. Awesome. Now, you're going to take the test up here. Then, after you've done your second skill, you do your third skill. Once you've done your third skill, you are done for the day. You can work on not these ones, other skills on Khan or academic work. The third day for Khan is when you take this timed mini section. It's 10 questions, timed, and it will let you know, no calculator, and it will also let you know how much time you have. Okay? So again, come in, watch video first, do practice. If you get a 4 or 5, take the test. If you get a 3, 2, 1, or 0, retry the practice one more time, and then you take the test. I hope this was helpful. I think some of us made a mistake on the first day, and that's totally okay.